J Dub.
iPhone tricks most people don't know about part 4. Quickest way to delete photos is to select and tap anywhere on top. To hide photos completely is to save it in a note and set a lock. Then delete the photos in your camera roll. When you no longer need to hide them, just save the images again. Quickest way to rearrange multiple apps is to long press on one and tap on the others to group them together. Want to highlight something in a screenshot? Don't forget to use the built-in magnifier. iPhone tricks most people don't know about part 6. Tap and hold the camera app to take selfies right away. Access your recent photos in an iMessage with one click. You can also customize the app drawer with your favorite apps. iPhone pauses music when you are recording a video, but if you hold down the shutter button in the photo mode and swipe right to lock, you can record your video with music. Swipe up to change the ratio if you want the regular 16:9 video format. If you enjoy my content, please follow me on Instagram. Okay, fine, I will slow down. iPhone tricks number 5. The easiest way to search on a Safari page is simply type your search word in the search bar on top. Go to the bottom where it says on this page, click on it. There you go. Hit the arrows on the bottom right to go up or down. Remember, you can always save the video to replay at a slower speed. Most people don't know these iPhone tricks part 2. Touch and hold timer on home screen to quickly set timer. Need to share photos but still want privacy? Simply remove the location data. 2 fingers tap to select multiple messages, notes, or email. Turn your iPhone into a magnifying glass. Triple click lock button to turn on. Quickest way to share a screenshot is simply tap and hold. Swipe left to dismiss.
iPhone tricks I guarantee you did not know, part 1. By the way, for this trick, make sure your iPhone is updated to one of the most recent iOS versions. Alright, for this first one, I'm literally going to show you guys how to make your iPhone shoot lasers. I'm not even kidding. Type in the words pew pew and then click send. And then look at that. No joke, try it for yourself and let me know how it goes.
How to make your iPhone speaker 3 times louder. Let's open up settings, tap the music app setting, scroll down a little bit, and then go ahead and tap on EQ. Whatever EQ you have set, go ahead and tap on late night, and your music is going to be so much louder. This is actually real.
So a customer came in today with this. I'm kidding, no one came in with that, but they did come in with this, an iPhone 6s. And they said their battery's dying way too fast. And before you're like, Josh, it's just a battery video, we've seen this a million times. I'm not even going to be opening this phone. Here's some things you can do in your settings to help you save battery. Number 1, if it isn't obvious enough, go to battery and go to low power mode. With low power mode on, it turns off mail fetch and some visual effects are reduced. And I got that comment a lot, like, is low power mode bad for your phone? No, it's not. They wouldn't have released it if it was damaging your phone. I have mine on low power mode all day. My personal phone. I wake up, turn on low power mode. Because iPhone batteries aren't the strongest. Number 2, this is a big one, right here. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. See how they're both on? If you have data and you're randomly in your car, you don't need Wi-Fi on. So turn it off. Along with Bluetooth. If you're not actively using Bluetooth, your phone's going to continually start searching for any devices. So turn it off also. Yeah!
iPhone tricks most people don't know about part 7. Make calls to your favorite contacts without unlocking your phone. Simply add in the widget on the lock screen. Stop spam calls by going into Setting, Phone, turn on Silence, Unknown Callers. If you don't have a home button, swipe up from the dock will take you back to the home screen instantly. If you type in the wrong number in the calculator, don't hit clear. Just swipe left or right to backspace. If you enjoy my content, be sure to follow me on Instagram.
What's up, guys? There's absolutely no way you might have not seen this video before. Before we take a look at it, I kind of want to give you a synopsis of what's going to happen. Now, it's a steel reinforced wool, and there's a cell phone placed in the middle. You call the cell phone creates electromagnetic radiation, and then look what happens. If a cell phone radiation can do that to this, imagine what it can do to your brain. I was really trying to understand what's going on. I've even gone down and dirty and did some math, but it wasn't working out until I've realized that it's a video editing trick. When you slow it down, you can see how the flame just appears out of nowhere. Well, that's unfortunate. Another viral video debunked. So don't believe everything you see on the internet, and make sure to share this video with somebody who'll find it interesting.
iPhone trick for much louder speakers. Start by clicking on settings, go to music. From there, you're going to go to EQ and go late night. Bam. iPhone tricks that people still don't know about. Press down the camera button for easy selfie access. Now hold down the shutter button and scroll to the right for video access. You can still take photos by pressing the white button on the side. For burst photos, hold down the shutter button and scroll to the left. Tap the arrow on top to change photo dimensions. You can go to 16 by 9, which is ideal for Instagram stories. Check out the photos I took. iPhone trick to turn your phone into a magnifying glass. Go to your settings, press accessibility, and then access your magnifier. Turn it on and press screen lock button 3 times to activate the magnifying glass. From then on out, you can use it for anything. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can adjust the color. You can take photos. It's super easy.
Okay, one of you guys sent me this TikTok and I was like, okay, I have to try it. So I quickly went and grabbed every iPhone box I own, trying to find some stickers to put on the phone, going through all of them, and we finally found some. And then I wiped down the phone with isopropyl alcohol. I just didn't want it to be gross and greasy. Then I watched your TikTok a couple more times trying to figure out where to put the things. And then from there, without using anything sharp, obviously, because TikTok doesn't like that, I cut out the shapes and I put them on the phone, trying to line them up with the edges. And you can see me here measuring a lot with the other ones, trying to figure out what it's going to look like when I actually put them on. And then I was like, had this genius idea to throw this one on the top. So I marked it out, threw it on there. And I was like trying to make it eat the other logo. So I took it off, put it on the phone. Then I quickly realized, dang it, it doesn't look good at all. So I was over there trying to pick at it, trying to get it up. Didn't work. I just left it, and this is the finished product. It actually looks pretty good besides the one on the top. But hey, I mean, it's something even more unique for the 7 Plus. Probably taking the top one off. If you aren't following already, make sure you click that button.
FaceTime update that you need to know about. How annoying is it when you FaceTime and the bubbles move when people talk? So go to your settings and download the new update. Then click FaceTime, put the speaker mode off, and the bubbles will stay static.
Here's a little fun iPhone trick you guys can try at home. Hey Siri, what is 0 divided by 0?
Imagine that you have 0 cookies, and you split them evenly among 0 friends. How many cookies does each person get? See, it doesn't make sense. And Cookie Monster is sad that there are no cookies. And you are sad that you have no friends.
What the? Hey Siri, shut the
What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can hide and password lock basically any app on the iPhone. So it's not really a password lock, but it will basically do the equivalent of like a combination lock, and I'll show you what I mean by it in a minute. So if there's an app on your iPhone that you want to hide that's on the home screen, go ahead and take the app and drag it to the second page on your home screen. So now that you have the app that you want to hide separate from your normal apps, all you want to do is, this will work for any iPhone even if it has a notch or no notch. All you want to do is click the edit button and the search bar at the same time, so you get this weird animation, and then click the home button or swipe up if you have an iPhone 10. Now you're going to notice you cannot go to that app that's hidden. So from anyone's perspective, they can't access it. So all you want to do is click these buttons and then you can access the app like so. So we click over here to do that. Now, if for whatever reason you do want to have the ability to swipe, go ahead and click the buttons here, click the home button, and then your iPhone is back to normal. Boom, that is how you basically hide your apps. So that way they can only be accessed by this hidden gesture on the iPhone that very few people.
I'm going to show you how to save some time in under 60 seconds using the Shortcuts app. If you're like me, before bed and you have to wake up, you go in here and you have to click all of these because I sleep in. I don't know about you guys. With this Shortcuts app, it makes things a lot easier. Go to your Shortcuts, make a new shortcut, go to Add Actions, and here you can see your alarms. It uses the most recent ones you've clicked. So for me, I go 6:50, add another one, 7 o'clock, add another, and 7:10 because I'm going to sleep through these. And then change these so it's 6:50 a.m. on, and then click next, shortcut name, set alarms, and now when you say this, it's gonna set. I don't want to say that word because of all the iPhones I have here, So when you're done, click done, and you're good to go. I turned off the phones in the background so I can say it without my eardrums getting blown out. Hey Siri, set alarms.
Done.
I think it's convenient because if I'm on the other side of the room, about to go to bed, I can just yell at my phone and it sets my alarms.
They say that if you get the front-facing camera and put it on your iPhone box, it will create a light show.
I bet you didn't know this. Did you know that your phone can measure things? Just open the Measure app. It comes on your phone, right? And you just put something in the frame, and boom, look at that. 3.5 inches by 1.5 inches. That's amazing.
Phone life hack. Go to settings, general, keyboard, text replacement. Press the plus, type in your email where it says friend. Shortcut, type 2 @. Save. Now you'll never have to type your email ever again.
iPhone tricks I guarantee you did not know, part 2. Step 1, find Safari and open it up. Step 2, once you open up Safari, type in the search bar, do a barrel roll. Once you've typed in do a barrel roll, click go and watch what happens. Your phone starts spinning in a circle. I have no idea why it does that, but that's a cool little trick for you guys.
iPhone tricks most people don't know about. Long press send button in iMessage to send with effects. Long press spacebar to move cursor. Shift keyboard left or right for one-handed typing. Screenshot the whole web page by switching to full page capture. Select photos to hide come in handy when you want to show some but not all your photos to someone. iPhone tricks most people don't know about part 3. Press and hold the Notes app to scan documents into PDF. Store locally or share with anyone. Share your location with someone by simply typing I'm at in iMessage. Swipe back and forth on the emoji keyboard for quick access. Set timer to turn off music or podcasts at night. Enable read receipt for your besties only.
iPhone tricks I guarantee you did not know, part 3. So everyone knows the TV show Friends, right? Well, go on Safari and type in Friends Joey. Once you typed it in, click go, and then click on the pizza button and watch what happens.
Joey doesn't share food!
The next one, type in Friends Phoebe and click go. Then click on the guitar and watch what happens.
Smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Smelly cat, it's not your fault.
And lastly, look up Friends Monica, click search, and then click on this soap button right here. By the way, this works for any Friends character, so type in the word Friends and then the name of the character after and look them up.